Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, we'll understand hypotension. We'll cover the meaning, causes, and clinical features of low blood pressure. It is important to understand why this condition can be dangerous if symptoms arise.
Hypertension refers to abnormally low blood pressure and is often underestimated compared to hypertension. However, hypertension can lead to inadequate organ perfusion and may become life-threatening if not recognized early. Understanding hypertension is essential for MBBS students, especially in emergency and critical care settings. Definition: Hypertension is commonly defined as a systolic blood pressure less than 90 mm of mercury or a diastolic pressure less than 60 mm of mercury. Clinically, hypertension is more accurately defined as blood pressure low enough to cause symptoms or inadequate tissue perfusion. Physiology of blood pressure. Blood pressure is maintained by a balance between cardiac output and peripheral vascular resistance. The autonomic nervous system and the renin-angiotensin-aldosterone system play a crucial role in maintaining adequate blood pressure. Classification of hypertension. Hypertension can be acute or chronic. Acute hypertension is often life-threatening, while chronic hypertension may be benign or symptomatic. Orthostatic hypertension and shock-related hypertension are important clinical entities. Acute hypertension. Acute hypertension develops suddenly and can rapidly compromise organ perfusion. It is commonly seen in conditions like hemorrhage, sepsis, or anaphylaxis and requires immediate medical attention. Chronic hypertension. Chronic hypertension is characterized by persistently low blood pressure and may be asymptomatic. Some individuals, especially young adults and athletes, tolerate low blood pressure well without symptoms. Orthostatic hypertension. Orthostatic hypertension is defined as a significant fall in blood pressure upon standing. It occurs due to failure of compensatory autonomic mechanisms and is common in elderly patients and those on antihypertensive drugs. Causes of hypertension. Hypertension can result from reduced circulating volume, impaired cardiac function, excessive vasodilation, or drug effects. Identifying the cause is essential for effective management. Drug-induced hypertension. Many drugs can cause hypertension, particularly antihypertensives and diuretics. Overdosage or drug interactions often precipitate hypertensive episodes. Pathophysiology. Hypertension occurs when there is a reduction in cardiac output, peripheral resistance, or blood volume. Autonomic nervous system dysfunction further impairs compensatory mechanisms. Clinical features. Symptoms of hypertension occur due to reduced cerebral and systemic perfusion. Syncope is a common presentation, especially in orthostatic hypertension. Complications. Severe or prolonged hypertension can result in shock and irreversible organ damage, making early recognition critical. Diagnosis. Diagnosis involves measuring blood pressure in different positions and correlating findings with clinical symptoms. Investigations. Investigations help identify the underlying cause and assess the severity of hypertension. Management overview. Management focuses on correcting the underlying cause, restoring circulating volume, and maintaining adequate organ perfusion. Acute management. In acute hypertension, intravenous fluids are the first line of treatment. Vasopressors may be required in severe cases. Management of orthostatic hypotension. Management includes lifestyle measures and reviewing medications that may worsen symptoms. Prevention. Preventive measures are especially important in elderly and chronically ill patients. Difference: hypertension versus hypotension. While hypertension causes long-term damage, hypertension poses an immediate risk due to poor organ perfusion. Thank you for watching this detailed lecture on hypertension. I hope it helped clarify the concepts and strengthened your clinical understanding. Please like, share, and subscribe for more MBBS-oriented medical lectures.